Hi, I'm Brad, and I'm here to go over the operating instructions for the Hornet HEPA vacuum system. Operating a Hornet vacuum is really quite simple. First, identify and connect your grounding jack. Next, connect a 1/2-inch compressed air line to the system. So now the vacuum is connected. Now select a pneumatic tool that you'll be using. In this case, we'll be using a Clayton random orbital sander, a 6-inch sander. First, apply a protector pad to the sander. Protector pad's important because it's going to allow you to really extend the life of your backup pad. Once the protector pad is on, just lay your screen abrasive directly onto the sander and press it firmly to make sure it's affixed. Now grab your work hose. You'll need to thread the end of the work hose directly into the sander. Note that it's a counterclockwise thread, so you're actually turning the hose backwards to get it secured. Plug your compressed air line directly into the tool till you hear it click. Now take the other end of the hose, remove the protective rubber cap, and slide the metal sleeve directly into the vacuum's inlet valve. Take the other end of the compressed air line and plug it into the coupler on the front of the vacuum. Now just turn the vacuum on by turning the valve in the back into the upright position, and the system is ready for use. The sander has compressed air and the vacuum is flowing. Another consideration in getting the most out of the Hornet vacuum system is changing the filters regularly. The Hornet system was designed in such a way that you can change filter bags while the vacuum is running. This is safe and important because any dust that escapes the filter bag while you're changing it will get sucked back into the vacuum and captured by the HEPA filter. To perform a safe filter change on the Hornet, first connect the vacuum to compressed air and turn it on. With the vacuum running, remove the hose from the inlet valve and cap it with the included rubber dust cap. Now loosen the inlet cap by turning the quarter-turn fastener counterclockwise. Slowly and carefully draw the filter bag out of the vacuum. With a plastic disposal bag, turn the bag inside out around your hand like a mitten and grasp the dirty filter. Keeping the filter bag close to the mouth of the vacuum, turn the bag inside out and remove the inlet cap. Seal the disposal bag and dispose of it properly. Take a new filter bag and install it on the filter cap by simply pressing it on. The filter bag has small teeth that will grip the inlet and hold it onto the tube. Insert the new filter back into the Hornet and turn the fastener to secure the inlet. And that completes a filter bag change. When changing the HEPA filters, you'll leave the vacuum in the off position. Disconnect compressed air lines and remove your grounding cable. For this operation, it's important to be aware of what types of materials you've been collecting with this vacuum. If it's of a hazardous nature, like hexavalent chromium, cadmium, lead, asbestos, or any other type of potentially hazardous dust, you'll want to wear full PPE. That would be Tyvek, respirator, or whatever other protective equipment is required by your supervisor or by your company. Before doing a HEPA filter change, we always recommend changing the bag filter first so that you're not moving around a contaminated bag. Remove the bag filter from the vacuum and then reach inside the vacuum, grasp the HEPA filter, turn the HEPA filter counterclockwise to unthread it from the vacuum, pull it free from the vacuum, and place it into a disposal bag. Seal the bag shut and dispose of it according to regulations. Grasp a new HEPA filter, insert it into the vacuum, and turn it clockwise to thread it into the system. Continue to turn it clockwise until you feel the filter bottom out. Place the filter bag back into the vacuum and turn the fastener to secure the cap. And that completes the HEPA filter change. The vacuum is now ready to be put back into service. Other than changing the filter bag and the HEPA filter, there's no required maintenance on this vacuum. The vacuum has no moving parts and no wear items, so it should provide you with years of outstanding performance. If at any time you experience trouble with the vacuum or a decrease in performance, please contact Clayton and we'll provide troubleshooting tips and support. For technical manuals, illustrated parts breakdowns, or technical specifications, please visit our website at www.dustlessmadesimple.com.